today's hashtag Thursday. Today I have you from our January 2018 Tokyo treat. I have a DIY slime kit, so we're going to be like making some like edible slime. And it's by this company here. So this is what it looks like. Got a little doctor guy here, bubbles, a little jelly dude. It's easy as 1, 2, 3, I guess. So here is the back. So on Japanese, of course, you will be needing some water. So let's open this up. So your kit includes a blue powder. I believe this is what makes the slime because it's all like slimy looking. A pink packet with like really light powdery stuff. Might be like, and then we have a green packet and a mixing spoon and our star tray and music note tray. So the directions say to separate your trays. See, the green one goes first, then the pink one, and then the blue one, I believe. So we're gonna open this up here. I think we're starting with this music note one first. It says to, well, I don't know what it says, but I'm assuming by the picture it says to fill up to the third line, or yeah, the third line. So 1, 2, 3. So this line right here, we're gonna fill it, and then you're gonna put our green in. So let me see here. I'm going to fill it to the third line. I believe we've got that right there. Okay, so we're up to the third line. Sorry for my face in the way. Make sure. Alright, so the next step is to place our green packet in here. There are little tear things on here. It doesn't really have a smell. Make sure you get that all in there. Mix it up really good. So when you put it in, it goes from a purple to a blue. As you can tell, it's kind of greeny in here. Alright. So the next step is to take your bigger tray with the star, and you are going to stick your dried powder into there. I mean your pink powder, not your gray powder. If I said gray, sorry. Make sure you get it all in there. Alright, so the next step from there is to take your blue with your star note and pour this into here. This makes it pink. Make sure you mix this up pretty good. There's like some lumps still in here. So it kind of looks like this. I know on the camera it looks really dull, but this is like a fluorescent pink. Alright, I think I got most of it mixed. The next step is to take your slime packet and dump this in here. It might have a chain reaction already. So I'll get all that in there. This is what's going to turn it into slime. Ooh, it's already starting to thicken up. It's going to a blue. And out of all the powders, the slime pack has the most flavorful smell to it. Make sure you get all of your powder. It's starting to jelly, I guess. The more you mix, see, it's starting to turn into a slime. I hear if you mix it 100 times, you will get more slimy, so let's do that. Or 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go, 100 stirs, and we have a super jelly, slimy creation. It's very goopy. So let's try some of our slime. So here is our slime. Kind of smells soda poppy. So the texture of the slime, it does taste like ramen. The texture of the slime tastes like a really thin Jello. It tastes a little bit like Jello. So you're eating like gelatin, I think, a little bit. And then it also has a marshmallowy type texture to it, like melted marshmallows. So it's like a marshmallow jello-y soda pop tasting slime. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you try out this DIY slime kit. And I will see you guys later.